In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Basecamp. Whether you're a project manager looking to streamline your workflow or just getting started with Basecamp, setting up a new project is a straightforward process that can make all the difference in your project management. So, let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, you should head straight to your home screen. This is essentially your dashboard, the starting point for accessing all your projects and tasks. It's where you can monitor everything that's currently on your plate, and from here, we'll take the first step to launching something new. Now, find the button labeled Make a New Project. You'll typically see this button prominently placed under your company logo or name on the home screen. Clicking this button will serve as your portal to initiate a project from scratch and bring your ideas to life. Once you click on that button, you'll move into the configuration phase. This is where you start shaping your project by giving it a name. The project name is crucial because it's how everyone involved will identify this project, so choose something succinct yet descriptive. Next, if you want, you can add a brief project description. The description gives everyone a quick overview of what the project encompasses. It's especially handy for clarifying the project's purpose and goals to anyone who might be joining later. Additionally, Basecamp offers a great feature to streamline your setup, using templates. If you've previously created a project template, you can select it at this stage. Templates are fantastic for saving time because they allow you to reuse specific setups you've designed for similar types of projects. If you have any repetitive tasks or content that apply across multiple projects, a template can save you the hassle of setting them up from scratch each time. Now, one of the last but very important configuration steps is deciding on your project's visibility. You have two options here. Your project can either be invite-only, where you manually invite each person you want to have access, or all access, where anyone with the access link can join. Choosing the right access level depends on your project's needs. Invite-only is great for limited access projects, ensuring only specific team members are involved, while all access provides an open platform for wider collaboration. With those selections made, you are all set to bring your project to life in Basecamp. It's that simple. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, simply save your new project and you're ready to start collaborating with your team. Before you know it, your project will take off and make progress happen. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.